Hi everyone and welcome to Section 6, Secure your Azure tenant. In this video, we will learn how to manage encryption with Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure offers many types of encryptions that allow us to protect our data. Regardless of which service you use, your data on Microsoft Azure is encrypted by default on any occasion. Encryption in Microsoft Azure is split into two types, at rest and at transit. Encryption at rest. At rest encryption offers protection while our data is stored on any Microsoft Azure storage object. The process of the at rest encryption is happening using a symmetric key while it is written to the storage. Once the data is encrypted, the same symmetric key is used to decrypt the data. This process prevents attacks against physical access when the hard disk has been compromised. This policy also satisfies compliance requirements. Encryption in transit. In-transit encryption happens when our data is being sent over the Azure network. Once your data starts to move between any Azure component, the encryption process starts and prevents data theft. Microsoft Azure VPN Gateway allows you to encrypt communication between your on-prem environment and Azure. Microsoft Azure also offers us the option to encrypt virtual machines, virtual hard disks, and add another layer of protection. Azure enables us to create a new virtual machine with an encrypted disk and enable encryption of existing virtual machines. You can create a new encrypted VM using the pre-configured Azure VM template, or existing VM can be encrypted using the set AZ VM disk encryption extension command. Microsoft Azure Key Vault allows Azure customers to secure, manage, and control their cryptographic keys and secret passwords using hardware security modules. Key Vault offers advanced tools and automation for security tasks like certificate renewal to trusted CAs. It can also help rotate storage account keys every 90 days.